In this video, I'm going to show you another guide about the DBI installer on how you guys install a backup games to your Nintendo Switch. So first of all, we're going to download some files first on our PC in order to use the DBI installer. So this is all the files that you guys need to download on your PC. The first one is a dbi.config. The second one is dbi.nro if you haven't get one yet. And then the last one is a dbi backend.exe. So these three files you guys need to download onto your PC. And the only two files that you need to copy to your Switch is the dbi.config and the dbi.nro. So now let's go ahead and go back to our Nintendo Switch. So right here, what you guys need to do is you need to connect your microSD card to your PC. So now I'm going to open the DBI installer, which use the DBI installer here in order to connect my microSD card to my PC. We've only used a USB cable right here. So if you guys don't use the DBI installer, you need to use the manual way where you need to remove your microSD card from the Nintendo Switch, and then you need to use the memory card adapter, which is a basic way on how you guys connect your SD card to your PC. Alright, so once you guys have reached to the root of your microSD card, now what you want to do here is you need to go to the Switch folder. Alright. So once you guys have entered the Switch folder, you can see there's a DBI folders. If you follow my previous video, which is on how to use the DBI installer. So at here, what you guys need to do is you need to copy the dbi.config if you already have the DBI folders inside your Switch folders. So now just go ahead and copy the dbi.config. But if you not yet install and use a DBI installer on your Nintendo Switch before, you need to create a new folder, and then you need to rename a new folder to DBI. What you guys need to do is you need to open it, and then you need to copy dbi.nro and then dbi.config. Now go ahead and pass it inside the DBI folder that you guys created just now. So that is for those of you not yet used the DBI installer before. So here is how it looks like if you already have installed the DBI correctly. Now go ahead and open up the Switch folder and then go to the DBI folder, and inside the DBI folder you should have the dbi.config, while the other one is dbi.nro files. Alright, now once that's done, you need to disconnect your microSD card back from your PC and then connect it back to your Nintendo Switch. So if you're not used to the DBI installer, you need to reboot your Nintendo Switch into a custom firmware back, since that we need a custom firmware in order to launch the DBI installer. So once you guys have rebooted your Nintendo Switch into a custom firmware, now go ahead and navigate to the album to launch the Homebrew menu, and then go ahead and look up for the DBI. So if you have a duplicate DBI installer, which I already have made a mistake just now, I copy both of the dbi.nro. So what you guys need to use is the DBI version 358, as you can see right here. So make sure you choose the DBI 358, which is the version is 358.